back to my channel. If you know you're new to my channel, my name is Natia. I'm a mom of two. On this channel we do a lot of things, okay, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and how you doing? Subscribe, leave your comment, share, like the video, give it a thumbs up if it's interesting. So today's video, I decided to do a get ready with me, like weekend get ready with me. And because of this coronavirus that is everywhere, even my church is closed.
My church is closed. Everywhere is closed, so
now that we have to stay at home, and I was like, okay, why not doing weekends, like weekend get ready with me? So that's basically what we are gonna be doing today. By the way, I'm just wearing my top for the first time, and I am putting a leather pen on, which is from Zara. I'm wearing, you can actually see that at the end of the video, is from Zara. So we are gonna be doing this get ready with me, and then stay tuned. I'm gonna be beating my face with the makeup. You guys know how I don't like putting too much makeup on my face. I love to use like just very light makeup. You don't use foundation. I don't know why. I feel like I don't need foundation. I don't need foundation, like liquid foundation on my face. So I'm gonna be putting a little bit of powder. If you know that you haven't watched I already have a video about everyday makeup routine. If you know that you haven't watched that video, please go and check it out. I'm gonna be putting the link here up. Go and check it out and you will love it. It's very simple makeup that you need in your life, like very easy makeup. Okay, so if you're a pretty girl, you don't need too much makeup. Okay, you don't need to pack that whole foundation on your face. Just do your easy and go makeup. By the way, if you know that you're not following me on Instagram, what are you waiting for? Follow me. It's Natia Chi. My eyebrows have been growing so thick and nice. I think I would do a video about that, how I grow my eyebrows. To be honest, it's growing really good. So I think I'm done with the makeup because, like I said, guys, I don't do too much makeup. This is just my everyday look that I'm always wearing. To kind of make it more elegant, I always love my red lipstick. You guys know. So now I add my red lipstick. So this is my earring, and then let's move on to the hair. I just washed my hair 2 days ago, and the video will be coming up soon. I did avocado hair mask, and yeah, the video will be coming up soon. Stay tuned for that. My look, and this is the top. I'm gonna be showing you guys the whole outfit that I'm gonna be wearing. for today. So let's roll it. And I really like this cuteness of this top. They have it in different colors. Okay, I just decided to take this pink, beige and cream color because I know this is gonna suit my skin. So that's my weekend get ready with me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you know you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. Tell me if you like my weekend look and makeup, like get ready with me, my weekend look and get ready with me. If you know that you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and stay safe with this coronavirus everywhere. Okay, please protect yourself and remain blessed, and happy Sunday to you guys. And in the meantime, catch you guys on my next one.